Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable OneDrive on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. When you log into your Windows 11 computer, OneDrive get automatically started. It will consume your internet data and it will automatically upload your files to the cloud. Now, if you want to stop this process, then you can simply disable OneDrive on Windows 11. Here is how you can disable OneDrive. For that, simply click on this arrow icon. Here you will find OneDrive icon, or else you will get OneDrive icon on your taskbar. Simply right click on it, then click on settings. Here it will open Microsoft OneDrive settings. Here simply click on settings, and here simply uncheck this start OneDrive automatically when I sign in to Windows. Then click on OK. This will disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. Now OneDrive will not get automatically started on your Windows 11 computer. So this is how you can disable OneDrive on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.